Mary had a little lamb. His fleece was white as snow. Well, nearly. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Now, you, my lamb, stay here.
What, me?
I shan't be long. Bye-bye.
Off she goes towards the road. Now watch this girl. She's good.
Look left. Look right. Look left again.
You see? I knew she would. Now, what about the lamb? Big grown-up lambs don't cry. Now, what goes on? You wouldn't jump. You wouldn't, would you? Aye! Oh, you little black sheep. Hey, wait a minute. Stop! A man who crosses roads like that will be a mutton chop. He'll never do it. Shoot! He has. He's off and on his way. He's at the school.
Now, traffic drill is what we'll learn today. How does a chicken cross the road?
You ought to know. You tried. Yes, you may squirm, my lamb. Own up. Go on. You know you must.
Oh, Richard, did you cross the road? You did?
Well, only just. My, he's blushing red. Then Mary sees him feeling small and gently pats his head. Still, now it's over. Here they come. They all go home this way. Now, lamb, let's see how much you know of what you've learned today. Look left, look right, and wait for it. Look left again. Good show. Hear how the children cheer him, and safely home they go. The lamb has proved to one and all that he has learned his drill.
You will cross roads the safety way?
Oh, yes, I'm sure he will.